In today's video, I will discuss the top 3 retro bikes of 2024. If you are thinking of buying a retro bike, then this video is for you. Number 1. Triumph Traxton 900. It is very popular among retro bike lovers. The engine displacement of the bike is 865cc. Triumph Traxton bike's engine produces 69 bhp power at 7500 rpm and 71.8 Nm of torque at 5551 rpm. The bike's torque and power delivery capabilities will satisfy you. You will get 18 km of mileage from a Triumph Traxton per liter of fuel. I think this mileage is sufficient for a 900cc bike. KYB 41mm forks 120mm travel has been used in the front suspension of the Triumph Traxton 900, and the rear suspension uses swing arm with twin shocks. I hope there will be no complaints from the users about the suspension of the bike. The next bike on our list, Yamaha XSR 700 Legacy. Used in the Yamaha XSR 700 Legacy bike engine, 4-stroke 2 cylinders, liquid-cooled DOHC CP2 4 valves. The engine displacement of the bike is 689cc. You can produce 73.4 PS power and 67 Nm of torque from this bike. This is good enough. You will find a fuel injection delivery system and 6-speed gearbox. And this bike's compression ratio 11.5:1. The last bike on our list is the Royal Enfield Hunter 350. This bike is popular in almost all countries around the world. Hunter 350 bike's engine displacement 349.34cc. Its starting method is self-start only. Used in the Hunter 350 bike engine 4-stroke SOHC single cylinder. This bike's engine produces 20.4 PS power at 6100 rpm and 27 Nm of torque at 4000 rpm. This bike has an electronic fuel injection delivery system. On the highway and in the city, you will get a mileage of 36.2 km per liter from the bike. For the 350cc bike, this mileage is enough. The top speed you can get from the bike is 115 km per hour. Today's video is up to now. The next video will be coming soon.